Okay, welcome back to the channel and hope all of you are doing great today. Now on today's video, I'm going to just discuss about the DaVinci Resolve, and I think we are on day three, and I'm quite familiar with making color grading also. So, um, other thing I'm not familiar, but I usually became familiar with the color grading. Then I'll go to motion graphics. Okay, after a while, okay, motion graphics and animation. Let's just talk about this. Okay, just talk about this so I can easily try you to elaborate about this thing. Also here, async 1.3 color science. Okay, now 1.3 color science and group node architecture means the academic color encoding system. ACES is the Hollywood standard multi-camera color management means for the Hollywood standard we have to use this. So that's all the thing on we all have to understand about this. So here IDT input output transfer mathematically translate the camera raw log ARRI log C4 Sony as log 3 red white gamut into this. Then working color space means SXCCT pure logarithmic curve leaf wheel adjustment feel extremely responsive. So SXC means 8 to curve to shadow region causing the lift wheel control to feel identical to the traditional YRGB grading also. So means YRGB means yellow, red, green, blue. Okay. So ODT output device transfer means map the ASIC master working space to specific target display example rec 709 gamma 2.04 P D65 then cinema ST2084 P0 1000 nit also. That's one of the thing that level group 3 architecture means group 3 clip clip level, then group post clip also timeline level. That's one of the thing. Then HDR Dolby Vision mastering means high dynamic range HDR10 and Dolby Vision setup. Then HDR mastering expand the dynamic range from standard 100 nit HDR up to the 1000 to 10,000 nit also. So preserving the true specular highlight detail and deep shadows simultaneously also. So HDR's Rec 709 100 nit gamma 2.4 BT 709 non static HDR 10,000 to 4,000 nit also. ST2084 PQ, REC 2020 static metadata max call, Dolby Vision up to the 10,000 nit ST2084 PQ P3 D65 or REC 2020 also. So dynamic frame by frame XML ICMU EMU also. So that's sort of the thing. Confusing the Dolby Vision mastering the Resolve Studio means go to project setting color management then enable the DaVinci YRGP color manage, then set output color SDR ST2084, P3 D65000 need, then check the Dolby Vision, then set the version value 4.0, then on color page Dolby Vision flat, check analyze frame also. So that's sort of the thing. Then Fusion 3D and particle. I think we already discussed about the Fusion also. So on this section also I'll try you to elaborate about the Fusion. Okay, so let's begin. Generally, 3D camera tracker and group lens setup means in the Fusion insert camera tracker node after the media one, then check the audio track one complete, click solve camera, aim for an average solved error under 0.75 pixels, then select triple tracking point, set ground plane also, 3D scene, render 3D also, then particle of physics node architecture means wheel floating inverts, dot mode, rain, or smoke using the fusion particles, then pre-emitter define the particles, swarm shape, emission rate, velocity, and lifespan also, then add organic 3D noise field and chaotic wind turbulence also. Then apply the directional gravity or push vector to particle, then convert the 3D particle data stream into 2D RGBA image data for timeline input also. Then surface tracker, we can just track the surface, add surface tracker, open FX node to the clip on color page also. So that's sort of the thing. Then draw a mesh boundary over the moving shot, banner, wing to fabric also, click bound, track forward, resolve, build a dynamic 3D deformation mesh over moving surface continuer also. Then overlay a graphic image into the surface tracker, secondary input, the graphic wrap dynamically with the fabric fold also. Then patch the replacer and object removal means add patch replacer VFX node or new serial node. Also position target circle over unwanted object, boom mic tips, cable, please me also. Position secure circle over nearby the background texture. Resolve automatically blend the edge and grain the structure also. Then the fear light also setting up the Dolby Atmos Master bus Fearlight bus format 7.1.4 bed Fairlight immersive audio setup. Select the internal Dolby Atmos re-render. Assign the audio track, either the bed track. Fix the channel surround also. So using the 3D spatial audio panel, XY control, move the sound left, right, and front, back also. Z control height also. Then side slider. Then Python and API scripting means here means automated the repetitive tasks, batch production creation, timeline generation, and costume render query using the DaVinci Resolve native Python API also. So enabling the external scripting SS preference system general external scripting using the local or the network. So import DaVinci Resolve DVR script, connect the Resolve Studio API, Resolve DVR script Resolve PM, Resolve Get Resolve also. New any automated project PM dot create day 3 automated studio project, media pool project dot get media pool raw media file from storage, C media day 3 project camera A media day 3 footage also. Imported clips, media pool imported media folder path, then generate the MPT timeline and append clips also. Then the media pool, that's sort of the thing. Five print project get name also. So cloud token also, multi-user cloud collaboration, bean locking, timeline comparison, basic black magic means black magic also have on stream live video feed directly from your timeline viewer. Also we can stream live video. The dynamic rendering means on the deliver page automate file naming. So I cannot understand what it is saying about this, but I am still reading. So shortcut matrix also, so we have to learn about this. Okay, just repeat, then continue. Give your consistency. That's all the thing. Then the toggle group, pre clip, post clip view, color drop down to drop off. Create the share node also. Right click node, save as share node, open render. Q window, click plus shift plus R, append node to tree, right click, install append node graph, reset also home, shift home, then control plus Y, control plus N, then all shift W also. So here we already discussed about this. So I'm just continuing this video. So please don't mind for this. Okay.